when it comes to web hosting, I've used quite a few myself over the years. There are some things which you can notice between one another, but like in terms of performance per se, and like caching and all this stuff, like because like nowadays let's say the top tier web hosts, roughly in terms of performance, at least from my opinion, they're roughly within the same range. Like what typically, excluding the website itself, what the user can do, the website owner, what do typically web hosts do in terms of like for them to stand out, for the web host to be faster, for example, like for at Pressidium, like do you have anything specific that, in terms of performance makes it better or faster?
Yeah. So you see me thinking really hard because I don't want to go straight to caching, because I think we're going to spend a lot of time talking about caching. But using recent software, using good operating system, let's go all the way back to the like nitty-gritty parts. Using something that's both highly available but both fast. Like you can't rely on certain shared file system technologies and still give optimal performance. One thing Presidium did recently is that we are in like a transition period of taking our shared file system technology off of whatever we used to use to CephFS, which is super fast, especially in comparison to, I don't know, older technologies, which is really like one of the biggest bottlenecks in hosting too. The actual where you save your information and how you have that information still be highly available. What else? You could also implement some like features in between the database itself. So hosting happens in layers, everything happens in layers. And if you go past like the first networking layers, the security layers, the networking layers, and go into the actual server, like the Apache or Nginx, whatever everyone likes layer, that then talks to the database layer, and you could do some stuff in between there, like configure some things like it's a little old, HyperDB, or the word, I don't remember the technology for another similar product.
It's okay.
It has a certain level of database caching. It's not coming to me, but it's okay.
Yeah.
That's one thing you could do. I keep avoiding the main one. So caching, how you implement caching as a host is huge. There are so many ways to do it too. And there's so many different types of caching. It's like one word for so many things. Implementing caching from a web host perspective for high performance has to include something close to the client.